The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the preparation, extraction, and analysis of pesticides using 5 different passive sampling devices, and to show how to calibrate them in the laboratory for field application.
Passive sampling is a promising tool to answer key questions for measuring pesticides continuously at low concentration levels to improve, for example, environmental risk assessments. The main advantage of passive sampling is that it's a simple, time-integrated method for measuring a broad range of pesticides in the aqueous environment. This method is a valuable tool for monitoring of pesticides in water. It can also be used for non-target analysis, toxicity testing, and as an alternative for sediment and biomonitoring. Following this procedure, sampling rates and passive sampler water partitioning coefficients can be calculated based on the uptake profile for individual pesticides.
Cut silicone rubber sheets into stripes of 2.5 mm by 600 mm and 2.5 mm by 314 mm using a stainless steel cutter. Connect them using a stainless steel blind rivet with a rivet gun to obtain a total sampler stripe size of 2.5 mm by 914 mm. After cleaning the silicone rubbers by Soxhlet extraction, as described in the text protocol, attach a silicone rubber stripe to a stainless steel spider sampler holder by wrapping the silicone rubber stripe around the rods on the holder. Attach each end of the silicone rubber stripe to a rod on the holder to the loop at the end of the silicone rubber stripe. For post